welcome to my channel Computer Technologies. Today I will show you how to upload file in PHP using AJAX with progress bar. So for that, first of all you need to install a web server for Windows or Linux, whatever. So I have already installed a web server in my system. So in the C drive there is a folder. After there is a folder WAM. After installing the WAM server, you can get this folder WAM. So inside this WAM you can you will find a folder www. Inside this www you can create whatever projects you want. So I have created a demo project here, file upload AJAX. So inside this file upload AJAX, some files are there. Say let's see the JavaScript first. So you need the JQuery. You need a JQuery library for using this, and after that you need a CSS for using font. This font awesome library you need. So now let's see how to upload files. Let's see the coding part. So first of all we need to create the database connection. So for that I have created a file db.php. So let's open this in Notepad++. So here this is the host name, localhost, user, root, and the database name is file upload. I have already created a database name file upload. I'll show you. This localhost, and then localhost, just go to PHP myadmin. Here you can create whatever database you want according to your requirement. So here I have created a database file upload for demo purpose. So inside this database there is a table, test table. So this test table I'll show you. See. Start from test, select start from test. See, this test table has two fields. One is ID and another is file path. ID is auto increment. So you can create this database in web server in PHP myadmin page. So let's see the coding part. So this is the client page, the AJAX calling page. This is the client page. This is the page from where you will upload the image file. So for that I have linked this font awesome main.css. Then I have used the jQuery library, jQuery 1.9.1 min.js, and if you want you can use the bootstrap also. So this is not required for now. So inside this file, mm, there is a form tag. You need to use the form tag for uploading files. So inside this form tag, you need to give this encrypt multipart oblique form data for uploading files. So inside this form tag, I have used a deep tag uh, whose margin is 10 pixel, margin top is 10 pixel and margin left is 20 pixel. This can be given according to your requirement. So inside this deep tag there is another deep tag, and this deep tag has two controls. One is button, one button control is there, and another is file control is there. And this file control uh, is hidden. So here we have written, I have written display style is equal to display none. So this will not be shown on the web page. So this is another deep tag. Here I have given id is equal to con. So I have given a id name here, and whatever image I upload in the server from this page will be shown inside this deep tag. So I have written this document.ready.function for using jQuery. So first of all, let's see how it will work. So this is document.onClick file upload bt. So this file upload bt is the ID name of this button control upload bt. So whenever I click on this button, a click event will be generated for this file control. That means this file control. This is the file control. Here id is file. So id name is file. So I have written here hash file. So this hash file dot click means whenever I click on this upload button, this file control will be clicked and the dialog box will be shown for choosing the image file. So here I have written another event handler here, document dot on change file. So this file control, whenever I select a file, this event will be executed. This event handler will be executed. So here I have written this 0. This means this represents the means current object, this file object, this file control object. So this dot value means the file name. So here I am trying to get the extension of the file. So if extension is not GIF, or if extension is equal to GIF or PNG or JPG, then file will be uploaded. Otherwise it will show a error message here, alert, please select a JPG or JPG, PNG or GIF file. So now let's see the main coding part. Here I have created a deep element. I have created a deep element whose ID name is deep temp and whose height is 225 pixel, width is 100%, position relative, margin bottom 20 pixel, border width 2 pixel, border style solid, border color gray. So here I have created a progress bar control using JavaScript. So var progress document dot create element progress. So progress dot style height 10 pixel, width 100%, position absolute, bottom 0 means this will be shown at the bottom. So progress dot attribute ID file progress, and this is display none. This will not be shown at the first time. So deep temp, inside this deep I have created, inside the deep I have added this progress control. So after adding this progress control, here document dot get element ID. Through this code we will get the object whose ID name is con. So here this is the con. This is the element whose ID name is con. So here I have got the object of this object reference of this con named object, which means ID name is con, this image container object. So image container object dot prepend deep temp. So whatever I have created here, this deep temp, inside this deep temp progress bar is there, and deep temp I have added inside this image container object. That means this one, this deep control, this deep element. So after that, here for uploading files using AJAX you need to use this object form data. So I have created an object for form data dot append, then file, then this means that file object, this means this file object, that file control object, then this dot 0 means the number one file. So I have appended this inside this form data. So I have called this AJAX function, this type post URL upload file server. I will send the file, I will send the image file to this upload file underscore server dot php with a query string type is equal to image for uploading image. So here I have written data is equal to form data content type false, process data cache false. These are not mandatory, but this one is mandatory. Form data is mandatory. So suppose I have sent the data to the server. So after uploading in this upload, this is the upload server PHP file. This is the upload file underscore servers dot PHP file. Here, see, here I have called the I have sent the image file to this server side page through AJAX. So this is the upload server.php. So I have sent a query string type. So this is the type image. So so this line of code will get the query string field which name is type. That means types value will be in this variable. So if type is equal to image, then I will include this db.php. This db.php. This is for connecting with the database. So if count files, this file variable holds all the files that have been sent from the client to the server. So if count files, so if the number of files sent from the client to the server is greater than 0, then I will execute this code. So image temp name, temp files, temp name. So I have created a variable target dir files, then a slash. So whatever files, image file I upload will be stored in this folder. So here I have executed a small code. See, not file exists. That means if this file folder does not exist inside this root, inside this current folder, it means inside this inside the folder where this upload file server.php, inside the folder where upload file underscore server.php resides. So if this file folder does not exist inside the current folder, then this will be created with this line of code. So here I have written $str, so for sending the JSON string. So here let's see the coding first. So here if db query insert into test file path values, this file path, this is the table name that we have created. This is the table name that I have created, and this is the file path field. So but the id is a auto increment. So here values, if this is executed properly, then I will get a max id. So with this statement, whatever data that has been inserted and the auto increment fields, max value will be assigned to this variable max. Here I have written flag is equal to 1. If this code is not executed and if it returns false, then it will execute this line of statement, flag is equal to 0. So if flag is equal to 1, see here if it is executed properly, if flag is equal to 1, if flag is equal to 1, then this $path target dir files name. Target dir means these files, this value files slash. So file slash file name, this part will hold. So image type file, this line of code will get the extension of the file that we have sent. So here path target dir max id means this whatever id that is returned through MySQL. So max id, then dot image type file, this image type file here. So here this is the coding for uploading the file that we have sent from the client to the server server hard disk. So this is move uploaded files $tmp path. Tmp means this file, this one temp. A temporary file is created on the server, whatever that we have sent. So that temp file will be placed inside this path. That means this. Inside this path string means inside this path it will be stored. So after that I have inserted update test set file path path where id is equal to max id means I have updated. First of all, I have inserted a blank string in the file path. So after getting the id of this whatever record I have inserted, after getting the id here I have updated with the this path value. So here I have updated the path value and I have sent here str is equal to str result. Okay, this is the JSON string max id, whatever max id file path, then path I have sent again means I have sent the path again to the client with this echo str statement. So let's see more in the on the client part. So here, so after sending, after means at the time of after initiating the sending process, this XSR this XSR function will be executed. This XSR function will be executed. So using this, we can use the progress bar means functionality. We can use the progress bar functionality. So your file.xsr $.ajax settings.xsr, with this we can get the upload object, and here I have displayed the at the first time progress bar was display none, but whenever the file starts uploading it will show display is equal to block. So file upload event listener lang complete progress dot I have here value. I have increased the value while uploading. I have increased the value of progress bar while uploading. So value e dot loaded, whatever loaded here the value will be here assigned. So progress dot set attribute max e total. So with this code, the progress bar functionality will be working. So after uploading on the server side, the server will send a JSON string, this string to the client. The server will send. So here that string will be available in this status variable if the function if all the process was done correctly. So after that I have this progress bar dot style display is equal to none. I have used means hidden. I have hidden this progress bar. Then deep temp dot remove. Deep temp means whatever I have created here, deep temp. This is the code just for mimicking how to use the progress bar. And here I have parsed the JSON string sent from server, this and I have assigned to this object obj1. So if obj1 dot result is equal to okay, that means this one, this result is equal to this result. If this value, this result field value is okay, if this result value is okay, then var my path obj1 dot file path. Obj1 dot file path means this field obj that whatever path sent from the server. So obj1 dot file path. So here I have created another variable obj. So inside this obj, the inside this obj object, I have assigned the reference of the div element whose id name is con. So I have created another div element here. I have created another div element here. So which height is 225 relative 20 pixel. I have created a italic element here. So which attribute values are say class, say far code. This is for far. This line of code is for using awesome font for close button. So I have used another class name here, delete image. This is for deleting the image. This will be shown in my next video. So here font size 22 pixel, color red, position absolute, and this should be shown at the top right corner. This should be shown at the top right corner. So here style is cursor style is pointer. So now I have created another element, that means image tag. So here image. So whatever image file path sent, whatever image file path sent from server will be placed inside this image tag. Inside this image tag, and I have created another tag, that is hidden tag. That is hidden tag where the max id means whatever I have sent from server, this max id, this will be used in my next video for deleting the image. So here I have assigned the value of max id to the hidden attribute, and this image tag, italic tag, and image number will be appended in the div tag. This div tag, whatever I have created, I have created a div tag here. So this, and now this div tag will be prepended inside this div tag, whose id name is con. See here I have written document.get element by id con. That means this tag, that means this tag. So now this is somehow complete. So let's see how it will execute. So let's open the Google Chrome, and here see local host. Here I have used the port number 81. So here you see file upload AJAX. Whatever folder inside this uh, WAM www, inside this www folder, whatever folder will be there, it will all be shown in this localhost :81 page. So here this is how to execute means how to execute the PHP files in web server. So we have used this, we have created this file upload AJAX. So here file upload AJAX. So we need to use this file upload file underscore client.php. From here we will upload the file to the server. So let's see this here, this upload. Now see, say let's use first this PDF file. So it will show please select JPG or PNG or GIF file. So let's select a JPG file. This is the JPG file. So it will be shown like this. So this is the italic tag that we have created with this awesome font close button, with this close font, with this close font. So if you want, you can add another image like this. You can add another image like this. You can add like this. You can add image like this. So this is how you upload files using PHP with AJAX and progress bar. So guys, if you like the video, please subscribe the channel and wait for the next video. Thank you.